White whiskers, red lips, a powdery nose, little paws in the rouge. What a show! The mirror's cracked, but her smile glows. Oh, kitten, what did you do? Stepmother screams, lipstick's on the floor. Out the door, she shouts no more. Out in the park where the shadows creep, hunger bites and the cold runs deep. White whiskers tremble, no makeup now. Who'll find her? Who'll save her? Somehow. Stars above, but no warmth below. Her tiny frame in the moonlight's glow. The grass is sharp, the night moves slow. Oh, kitten, what's next for you? Footsteps pound, a voice like thunder. Father's back, tearing the night asunder.
Where were you? You were supposed to be home hours ago.
Where the shadows creep,